color? You try that color. He turns them all over. There, look at you! Wow.
Mom.
Well, here, this way. There you go.
Mom.
No, not in your mouth.
Mom.
We just color.
Mom.
That's a crayon. Crayon.
Oh.
And look, like this. See? Yeah.
Wow.
You want to put them back and get another one? You want to try blue?
Oh.
Blue. And look, purple. See? Oh, look at the purple. See the purple? Purple.
Oh.
Blue. Blue. Look, Mommy has orange. Orange. And no, not in your mouth. Mommy has red. Can you say red? Red. You want to put that one back? Okay, thank you. Look, Mommy has black. Black. You want all the big ones?
Baby.
Big ones.
Baby.
Oh, look, all kinds of colors for Ben to make pictures. Okay, so that's all the big ones. Wow. Where's the purple? That's black. Here's the purple. Very good. Yes, that's purple. Can you make some more colors? Let's color. Get a crayon and let's color. See? Need new paper?
What do you say? What do you say, Ben?
Want more paper? Oops.
What do you say now?
You say thank you? Okay, let's color a new picture. Okay, get a crayon. You pick one up like Mommy? Just one. And then color, look.